Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to take a look at a cool little knife. And by cool little knife, I mean a knife that pretty much is a Victorinox Classic with one minor change. So the knife we're looking at is the 58mm Victorinox Signature 1. Now the Signature 1 is discontinued, and it's been replaced. The Signature 2, which is one of these, is now called the Signature. So the Signature 1 is no longer made, and the Signature 2 became the Signature 1. So if you're looking, if you purchase a Signature, the Victorinox Signature, you'll get one of these instead of one of these. And the difference is, what it is the Victorinox Signature has the usual classic tools. It's got scissors and the knife blade, or the nail file, and the knife blade, and the toothpick. The difference is it has a little bitty pressurized ballpoint. And for comparison, let me grab my Cyber Tool and I'll show you. So this is the normal pressurized ballpoint, and this is the one from the Signature 1. So they did away with this, I'm assuming because it was even more difficult to write with than this one, and they replaced it with the Signature 2 that became the Signature 1. And this one, you have the, oh, haha, I grabbed the wrong one. This is the Victorinox Stylus. Anyway, there's also a Victorinox Stylus floating around, which it replaces the pen. Well, here's the Signature Light, and the Signature Light is the same as the Signature 1. It just has a light instead of the scale that has the tweezers. But what it is the Signature 2, which is now the Signature, is exactly like one of these, only instead of getting this oh so useless stylus, you get a pen. And then the Signature Light has the pen, and you can swap these out real easy. You just grab it and pull. Yeah, can't get any traction on it. Well, there are very few things that you can't solve with a Swiss Army knife. So you just grab it and pull it out, like so. And they're real easy to replace. You just pop them out and shove it back in, like so. So anyway, so what happened is this is kind of the evolution, well, this is a failed evolutionary path on the tree, but anyway, what happened is you went from the Signature 1, which had the removable pen, to the Signature, which is still basically this one. It has the extendable pen, and you also have the Signature Light floating around. If you're interested in this and the weird sordid history, oh, there's also a Signature Laser, and the Signature Laser is very similar to the knife that I carry, one of the knives I carry on my keys, in that you have the pen like so, and then you have a laser pointer. But I don't think mine was a Signature 2. I don't think mine is a Signature Laser. I think mine was like a Swiss Memory something, because I mean, like, everything I saw was like the Signature Laser seemed to have a USB drive. So I'm not 100% sure about the naming conventions for this one. Also, mine has sort of gone through some modifications. Like, this is not the same USB drive, so that doesn't really help narrow down which version I have or had. I actually need to do some research and figure out exactly what version I'm carrying. I think it's a Swiss Memory something, Swiss Laser Memory, or I don't know. I'll check for that. I'll check on that. Anyway, I'll include links in the description if you want to check out these on the Swiss Army Knife Wiki. I'll also include a link to Amazon if you need to pick up a knot stylus, the Signature, or the Signature Light. The Signature Light is actually a surprisingly action-packed little knife, because you get a pen, you get a flashlight, not a super strong light, but not a bad one. You get a knife, you get the knife, the file, and the scissors. I mean, it covers a lot of your everyday carry needs in just one little light package if you just don't want to mess with it. I kind of feel like this is a good gateway EDC knife for somebody, because you just hand it to them, they can put it on their keychain and forget about it, and they have a pen and a flashlight and a knife. And there's a lot you can do with just those three things. There's a lot that just smooths out your day. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.